Right, I think that's working. Yeah, back with quite a few reviews. Got loads to do, man. I want to start off with my favourite new purchase. Not brand new, second hand. No, I reviewing a plastic box. What's inside? Making sure safety was on. It's my new pistol. CZ, Z because I'm English, not American. P09. Made by ASG. Sorry guys, I'm having a fag and a drink while I'm doing a review. Sorry about that. But yeah, I know I reviewed the Beretta as well, which I've no longer got that now. Still a good gun. Yeah. This is bottom polymer plastic. Top rail full metal. I'll do that side. Rail lock metal, non-ambidextrous. I'll show you in a bit. Ambidextrous safety lock, safety mechanism, whatever. Trying to work out where. I think the mag release is metal, I think. Yeah, I think it is, yeah. Using the green gas mag. I never have the bottom on. It does my nutting. I just don't do it. Course to the point of it. Crap. Yeah, it is fully loaded. Gassed up. I'm going to do this quickly because I'm inside the flat. The missus at work. She's going to see this and give me a right tearing. Right, luckily there wasn't much gas in there. Got a lovely little pop to it. I'm not a great fan of two-tone at all. But as far as two-tone goes, no magging now, by the way, guys. So yeah, that's pretty for two-tone. Right, as I was saying, I was going to show you about why the rail lock is not ambidextrous. I don't know if you can see. You can see a little line there. Trying to get it. And believe me, there is a little line on the top rail as well, which you line up. Reason why that's not ambidextrous. Push that there. See how that's dropped that down? Pull that out. Top rail comes off. That's why that I am ambidextrous. Why I've got the top off. Yeah, a few markings on it there. But it happens to all of them. Because of it being blowback. It happens. Like I say, this is not a brand new gun from a shop. It is second hand. The only thing I hate about this gun, that little fucker there. I'm changing the way I'm doing reviews. I'm doing it the way I am. I'm not going to pretend to be what I'm not. So yeah, I do use bad language. So I'm sorry, but it's just the way I am. That there is your hop up. Don't like it. It means I've got to carry a screwdriver about with me on field because I play woodland. I was going to try CQB, but nah. As you'll see from one of my other guns I'm going to review, that's going to be a nightmare to review, the size of it. I've not actually played a game with this yet, and if you're going to buy one, when you're putting your rail back on, push. This is another thing I don't like. I don't know what I've done it. Push that down. Oh yeah, it's hard to show you. Right there. Push that. You have to push that down and then slide it back on. Don't like it. Basic shit. Pin. Oh. Slide back. Being a little fucker. There we go. Right. Like I say, ASG cz-p09. Safety. Hammer's up. Can't apply safety with the hammer up. Pull the hammer down. And whoop, there you go. Safety. Like I say, can't do safety with the hammer up. Cool, do it. Won't let ya. Don't like it. Oh what? Extended barrel, standard. Unscrew that, which is just the safety cover. Get your thread. Lovely job, like. So you can put your suppressor on, silencer on, tracer unit. I would love to put a tracer unit on this, to be fair. Reverse thread. Lefty tighty, righty loosey. Now, before I even had this gun come, I ordered that off eBay. I forget how much it was now. Smashing bit of kit. Lovely. Only problem I'm having, front iron sight. Won't allow it to go into the holster. Take the iron sight off. It goes in lovely. But here and here, I've worked it out. Hello. Yeah, I've worked it out. If I get a file in there and file that down, and file that down, where you might just see where my finger is, it should allow it to go in with the iron sight. So yeah, if you're buying one, just bear that in mind. Pros and cons of the gun. Pros, nice weight, polymer. Polymer bottom, metal top rail, So I'm rushing a little bit now because I'm running out of memory on my phone. Nice weight to it. Before it come, I was very concerned that all this on the gripping was going to be sharp and uncomfortable using it without gloves on. Normally wear gloves when I'm playing. Sometimes get caught short, I don't know, you're reloading your mags and that. But no, it's not. It is rough. Nice rough finish to it, but it's not uncomfortable in your hand. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5-point rail. It's on. Cool, take it off. Like that. That's another thing I like about it. Iron sight, I have tried it for accuracy. It is accurate. Really accurate. Mags, like I say, this is green gas mag. You can also get CO2 version, which I've heard makes it absolutely evil. It makes it a big difference, but I'm happy with the green gas. It's powerful enough for me on the green gas. Range is good on it. Don't know about FPS because I've not used it on field yet. I've not had it chrono. I ain't got a chrono. Do I recommend buying one? Okay. Yeah, 100%. Good points, weight, feel, shoots well, nice kick to it. Bad points, that op-up. That op-up is shit. I really, really don't like it. Bad point for me as well, the length of the front iron sight. That's just because I couldn't get in the holster with it. But there you go, guys. There's the cz-p09 made by ASG. Boston little piece of kit. Yeah. If you're looking for a new pistol, new sidearm, I'd recommend it badly. Really do. Anyway, guys, that's my first review. I'm going to do a couple more today. But yeah, I'm back, guys. I'm trying my best to keep up with it now. So yeah, stay safe, play safe, and call your bloody hits. Bad boy.